The elephants, the lions, and the deadly, hungry, ruthless scavengers, hyenas. This pride is none other than the survey pride, which is the neighbor to the Rongai pride. On a fine morning, they were seen feasting on something, but it was an unnecessary provocation from a herd of elephants. The elephant herd has a small younger ones, but the lions or the hyenas are busy fighting among themselves for the food. But elephant herd quickly moving towards them was an unnecessary provocation. This can lead to a deadly fight, and the younger ones might be in harm. The hyenas are equally competing with this survey pride lions. Urkirikoi was not around, but the entire pride was there. And with no harm, the elephants moved out of the place. That's Masai Mara for you all. The life is challenging in Masai Mara.